Hello, welcome back programmers. So Spider is back with another video. So in previous video we already talk about a customer churn prediction. So if you have not watched that video, then go and watch it. So now in this video topic is very different. So now in this video I am going to talk about a chatbot development. Now a chatbot industry is growing day by day. So around 2024 to 2025, chatbot industry will be high on the peak just because of now. What if you don't know what is a chatbot? Then let me explain you in the simple term. Chatbot is one kind of a simple chatting app, one kind of a chatting support agent, which will directly communicate with your client. Now just imagine if you have a big company, and now obviously if you have company, now you need to have some like customer support. So in the customer support you can directly use the chatbot instead of a normal human person, because chatbot will work very efficiently and very easily without any problem and trouble, and it can work 24 hours. So that's why chatbot industry is growing day by day. So now chatbot should be equal to the human intelligence. So now how we can develop the chatbot? So now there are lots of ways to develop a chatbot. So we can develop chatbot using Python programming, and there is one library called Chatterbot. And there are not even one, there are more than many libraries available to develop a chatbot. There are many big companies like Amazon and Google also providing framework to develop a chatbot. So now, what is a more efficient way? So let me talk. So if you are going to develop a chatbot with a Python programming and Chatterbot API, it will also use the natural language programming algorithm. You can build an amazing chatbot with obviously your programming skill and machine learning and NLP algorithms. You have to use just a Chatterbot application. But now, if you are dealing with some real-time application or real-time customer service, like if you want to sell your real-time chatbot to some customer, so your chatbot should be perfect. So now if you want a more accuracy, then you don't need to do coding and like other things. You don't need to do program in Python. So now in this video I'm talking about how you can develop a chatbot without doing any one line of the programming. So I think you will be amazed if you don't know what I'm talking. Just watch this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can develop a simple chatbot application without using any coding skill. You don't need to have a powerful coding skill, you don't need to have a knowledge of machine learning also. If you are a beginner, then you can also build your chatbot. So let's start. So now I'm using a Dialogflow. So Dialogflow is a service of the Google. So now Google is everywhere. If you want to do something in development, then obviously Google already have a framework. Like if you want to do computer vision, then computer vision there is a already pre-built library which is supported by Google. There is a Google Vision, Google OCR. There are lots of things available to with machine learning in AI. Google is spending thousands of dollars and monies in research of the AI. So obviously we can use this Google Dialogflow to develop our chatbot. So Dialogflow is one kind of a service, or we can say framework. It is connected with a Google Cloud. So now what you have to do, just you have to search in the Google Dialogflow, then you otherwise you can directly go to dialogflow.cloud.google.com. So now we are in this video I am going to create a live chatbot, means I will do all the things here. So now this is a simple UI of the Dialogflow. There is nothing like harder thing in this here. It is a simple, even non-IT person can develop the chatbot. A person who doesn't know any line of coding, it doesn't know any programming, they also can create a chatbot. So now let's create and let's start our work. So now we have to create our first agent here. So agent means what? Agent means you can directly understand it is one kind of your employee, your virtual employee. So just create the agent. So now sorry, there is like lots of issues and error in also available dialog flow. You will get some errors and some troubles in the dialog flow, but it is okay, you can develop your chatbot, so there is no need to worry about. So now I'm going to name my chatbot just a machine learning hub. So this will be my chatbot name. So now my agent is created. Now there is a one concept of the intent here. So what is intent? So there is a, you can see this is the right side. You can check your chatbot, means how it is working. So there are already pre-inbuilt knowledge which is already available in your chatbot. So now this is your agent. In this agent there is already have some knowledge, means how to talk. Just let me show you. Hi. Just I am giving you message. Hi. So this is the response. Greetings. How I can assist? So this answer is coming from this intent. So there is already two intent will come in your agent, which is a inbuilt. So first one is a default fallback intent, and second one is a welcome intent. Means if you write like hi, hello, so it will directly answer you using this default welcome intent. You can say hi, how are you doing? So this is your simple response. Now there is a one another default fallback intent. Fallback means what? If you if I write anything which is not understood by this chatbot or this agent, so just what it will return? It will return me sorry. What was that? It will uh, return also different types of response. Like you can see sorry. Can you say that again? So this response is now coming from the default fallback intent. So now this is an intent based chatbot. So now I'm going to I'm going to create a simple machine learning hub chatbot. So in this chatbot, now we have to create the one intent here. Means this two intent is provided by chatbot. Sorry, means this is two intent provided by Dialogflow agent. Now you have to create your own intent. So I'm going to creating my your means our intent. So now there is a one many thing here like context event. So now we have to focus on the training phrases. Training phrases mean what? It simple means which type of questions can user ask. Means now this intent is I'm just okay. So this is the subject of my intent. So for this intent, my subject name is name of chatbot. So for the every different type of question and answer, you need to create a different type of the intent. So let me explain. After 5 minutes, it will clear all of your doubts. So now you have to write a question which can be asked by user. So now a name of the chatbot. If someone asks your chatbot, what is the name? So just you have to write what is the name. Now another question will be like what is your name? Or some person will ask like what is your good name? So you have to just think about how person can ask this type of question. So our subject is what? Name of the chatbot. Now we have to enter how different type of person can ask this question which is related to the name of the subject. So like some people ask what is your name? What is your good name? Or some can ask can you tell me your name? So this is what? This is our training data. So I have already defined four type of question. Now let me add one another. So I have already defined can you tell me your name? What is your good name? What is your name? What is the name? Just let me your good name please. So you have to enter different types of question which can be asked by user to your chatbot. Okay, so now question is added. Now it's time to give the answer. Now you have to define answer also. So response, you have to click on the add response. So now for all this type of question, your answer should be like, my name is Jarvis. I am the AI chatbot. So for this type of question, answer should be like, my name is Jarvis. I am the AI chatbot. Even you can enter the multiple response also. Like your answer should be same. Means you can just change a line like, my name is Jarvis. So now I can like enter this. Uh, People call me Jarvis. I am the AI chatbot. So now understand the concept. Our subject name is what name of the chatbot. People can answer. People can ask question like this, and for this question, your answer should be like this. My name is Jarvis. I am the AI chatbot. Even you can remove this response also because it's looking weird. But you can enter multiple response also. So now our task is done. Now just you have to click on the save button. So our intent is saved. So now it's time to test here. So just we have to enter our question. So now let me ask question. Can you tell me your name, please? So you can see we got the response. My name is Jarvis. I am the AI chatbot, and you can see we got the response from our created intent, which is the name of the chatbot. You can see. Now the most amazing fact is that this this question is not entered in our training phrases. So that's how you can understand this dialog flow is very smart. This using amazing and more efficient algorithm in background. You don't need to do worry about it. Like I have also tried chatbot with Python, but in my Python chatbot, it's like there are more issues. Like if I enter something and it give me answer like something related to this, but in chatbot there is no issues like this. Okay, so now this intent is created. So now our subject for one subject is completed, like name of the chatbot is completed. Now let me enter one another intent. Now once again, now intent name is what, developer details. In developer details, now people can how people can ask this subject question like, who develop you, what is the name of your developer, like can you tell me your developer name. So people can ask question related to like this. Just add me another one question. Will you tell me your developer name? What is the developer name? Okay, now four type of question it is. Now this kind of question, there will be one answer. So there is a text response. So let me enter. I am created by Kushal Bhavsar, who is the founder of Machine Learning Hub. So this will be my answer for this kind of the questions. So now the you can see, if you want to understand what algorithm is working, you can see there is a one thing common here, which is what is a developer. So this all thing is working in the NLP. So that's how NLP algorithm is efficient in dialog flow. So now let me save this intent. Now let me ask something related to this. You can see this gear icon is rounding. So now it started a training. So let me test it. Who created you? So let me see it's answering or not. So now it's not answering because who created it, like it's a weird type of question. So you need to enter this question also. Who created you? So guys, this is a challenging task is the thinking. You have to think from the user side also. Means how user can ask different type of questions also. So now it's not giving a answer because the training is started. That's why. So let's save this intent. We will test later. Now we have already entered two details. Now two intents. Now let me add one more intent. Now this is the last intent. ML Hub. Now just like person will ask what is your service, means what is your company detail or like that. So people can ask what is machine learning hub, like what is ML hub, can you tell me about machine learning hub. So you have to think from the user perspective also, means how user can ask different types of questions, and your answer should be sufficient and it should be proper. So and I'm for the just a video purpose I am just giving you some theory, but you should be more precise and with perfection you need to create a chatbot, then industry will accept it. Otherwise if it's have a problem then no one can accept it. Obviously it's the truth. So chatbot development is like very not like easy task. It is also tough task. So don't think like with this Dialogflow you can create a chatbot in just 2 or 3 hours. If you want to create a more efficient chatbot, then you at least you need to do more research and analysis on your thinking, all our question and answer also, because it depend on the how you enter training phase and how you enter response. So let me enter response here. Machine Learning Hub is online YouTube and Instagram community which provides free knowledge of machine learning and many more things. So this type of question my answer should be this. So let me save this. So guys just forgive me, I'm just creating a small chatbot just for your experience, and this video is already 18 minutes longer. Now we have created three intent. Now it's time to check the our chatbot. Now our training is completed. You see this message agent training is completed. So let me ask same question, who created you. Now you can see I am created by Kushal Basar, who is the developer of Machine Learning Hub. Now let me ask what is the Machine Learning Hub. Machine Learning Hub is online YouTube. This is the answer. So now this is the simple testing area, but now there is a time you can get the different types of option in the integration section. So there are lots of things available in the Dialogflow which you need to explore by yourself. I cannot tell all the details in this video. I'm just explaining you how you can create the chatbot. So go to Dialogflow and explore more features. There are lots of features available in Dialogflow. So now let's go to the integration. So now you can directly integrate this chatbot with your Google Assistant. Means with Google Assistant now you can do testing on your phone also. Means in your Android phone which is assigned by this Google account. Means in the account which you are using for the Dialogflow, you can directly access your chatbot via just you have to say hello and just you have to say the word. There are lots of things to do, but you need to connect your chatbot with Google Assistant via this integration. But I'm not going to do it because this is just a testing video. Now I'm showing you a web demo. So just you have to click on enable on web demo, and now you have to go on to this link. So your your chatbot will be located here. Now this is the HTML file. Means you can directly copy this HTML file and put it in your website also. So now you can put it in your HTML and directly you can access your chatbot via anywhere, any site. So now this is the chatbot website. So now let me check once again. Hi. Now let me talk like something professional. So let me talk. Hello. Good day. What I can do? So like, can you help me? Okay, so we have not a program about, we have not added this phase training phase like this. Okay, so this goes into fallback intent. So let me ask something related to our training. What is your name? What is your good name? My name is Darius. You can see response. My name is Darius. I am the AI chatbot. What is your good name? Now let me ask, who created you? I am created by Kushal Bhavsar, who is the founder of Machine Learning Hub. Okay. What is the Machine Learning Hub? Okay, thanks for your help. So now you can see this is working very well, but you can see this kind of glitches. Means this is the reason because we have not entered the full data. We need to improve our chatbot by using by adding more training phrase and responses. But still our chatbot is working very well, and you can directly easily integrate with your Android application, or directly you can integrate with any website. So guys, that's all for the today video. If you did not get anything, you can directly put a comment down. Otherwise you can, if you want to contact me, there is our Machine Learning Hub community page on Instagram. You can directly contact me there. If you have not subscribed my Machine Learning Hub channel, then just click on this red subscribe button, but actually it is not available here. But just subscribe the Machine Learning Hub channel. It will help me and it will motivate me to do more work and more videos related to our topic, which is machine learning and artificial intelligence. So guys, that's all for the today video. Thank you for the listening me. See you in the next one. So now create your own chatbot, put story on the Instagram. If you successfully created, then you can directly tag me via hashtag Machine Learning Hub, or you can directly tag my page Machine Learning Hub.ai on Instagram. So I will be happy if you have implemented successfully your work. So just mention me. So thanks for the listening me.